This is my first purchase from And Other Stories. So I got a pair of shorts and they're 7-inch biker shorts. Then a really pretty light green tank top. It's the style with the long armpit holes. And then I got this bodysuit, which is also really trendy right now. Again, it has like the long armpit holes. Awesome. So this is how the Aritzia Wilfred Free Go-To Tank looks, and I paired it with H&M jeans and the black crisscross slingback sandals from And Other Stories. So I decided to change and actually wear something on top that would go with the shorts. This top is by Aloe Yoga, and it's an emerald green color, and then these are the TNA shorts. I'll also try it on with my And Other Stories sweatshirt. I know it's summertime, but it's actually not that hot feeling. It's kind of a terry cloth on the inside. And I think it looks cool with these shorts too. And it's pretty cool. It has these seams right here for the billowy billowy sleeves. And I like the mock neck here. Alright, so it fits great. I like the way it looks. It's a size extra small. And I'll try it on with a necklace next. So here's how it looks if I put on a necklace. I love my H&M jeans and my And Other Stories sandals that I just got. I might wear this together.